So today is the first day of the spring Black Friday sale at Harbor Freight. For members, 35% off on all screwdrivers and pliers. These Icon branded pliers are very nice. Some of them are carbon copied after the Knipex. Others are carbon copied after other popular brands like Snap-on. So, at these prices, a lot of folks buy them in bulk and then resell them on Facebook Marketplace. So, if you want any of these, you need to get there early. The only thing on my list I didn't get was the Icon needle nose pliers. So, I will... They were out of stock. I will check later on in the week to see if my store stocks them again. And also, gloves are 40% off, I believe. So never pay full price at Harbor Freight. And the last two things I picked up at Harbor Freight is this Impact screwdriver kit from Quinn. As it says, it's a 9-piece. Basically, if you got a stubborn stuck screw, you hit the rear of this with a hammer and it breaks the screw loose. And also picked up this Icon locking flex head ratchet bit set. Some people call it the meme kit or the meme tool. I got it next to this Gordon knife just so you can see how small it actually is. Just flip that up. So this will find a home in a drawer in the motorhome. It's very nice. Got a T-handle and pretty much all the bits you could possibly need in a very, very small package. So if you picked up something at Harbor Freight on the spring Black Friday sale, put it down in the comments. I'm curious as to what you got. It's really hard to beat 35% off on these for sure. Take care.